one you people can do. I'm just focusing to finish off this chapter today. Let's see if we are able to do this. I'm not sure about it. Let's see on your speed itself. Okay. Mm. Hmm. Let's just do the
Mom, your voice is struck.
uh, 1989. Okay. With this, so of course, 4 table, right? 4 is shift my networks. Okay, is it fine now?
Yes, Mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 4 is 16, right? So what is the remainder now?
3.
3. Yes, and 8, 9. So of course the last digit is 9. So you should take something like you can take you can take 3 because 3 at the end it will be giving you 9. Okay, but let's see if it is possible. So 8 3. 3 3 is 9 and 8 9. No, it's smaller. Let's just try with 4. Okay, so if you will do it with 4, you get 336. Okay, and I think after that if you do it 5. 5 5 is 25 and 8 5 is 40 42. So it's greater. So you will take this one 4. Okay. Yes. So 4 here and you got 336. Yes. After subtracting, you got 53. Okay. So what is the remainder, ma'am? 53 is the remainder. Okay. So now whenever the number you get, what you do basically, you subtract that. Right? So now here is the remainder this. So if you want to get the number, you will just simply subtract it from here. 1819 minus 53. Okay. So what you get after subtracting? You get 1936. Okay. Now once you got 1936, you will do the prime factorization of 1936. Okay. Yes. Got it?
Mom, but then whenever we do the prime factorization after we subtract the number, it's always the quotient of the long division, right?
Hmm.
So do we still need to do it?
Over here, if you get 1936, how would you get to know that it will be? See, it's basically if you don't do it, then also, of course, the answer is going to be 44 itself, right? So
Yes, Mom.
either you can solve it, or as I told you in the prime factorization as well, if you are not solving it, it's same, right? If this method, the question is same, only the method is different, right? In the previous one,
Yes,
where
Mom.
we were doing, where we were finding the squares through prime factorization, over there we were not doing it again, right? We were only adding this. So whatever you get, basically, it is going to be same only. If you can do it, if you want to do it, do it. If you don't want to do it, then just take it. You can simply write it down that now 1936 under root 1. Fine, everybody?
Yes, Mom.
Yes,
So I hope I've made myself clear. So you people can note it down and everyone switch on the cameras, please. Okay. You can quickly note it down. Then the rest of the question you will do.
Mom.
Ma'am, can you explain this question again?
Which one?
This one.
Who is saying? I can't hear.
This question, ma'am.
Which this question? Okay, okay. This one only. Okay. Khadija, you were there when I was explaining long division.
No, ma'am. I was absent for a week.
Ah, that's why. Okay, so I'll try to explain it, but I don't know whether you will get in one go because these students are practicing it from a week. So that's why they are expert in this now. But I can explain you this one. Let's just write it down, then I'll explain you the another question. Okay, it's going to be same. Okay. So just sort it down, then I'll do the third one so that others can also explain it, get it, and you can also get it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished? Should I move to the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the third one is 3250. Okay. So I'll explain this to you and others, those who are aware of this, you people can do it on your own. Others, you can have a look. Okay.
Um, um,
My voice is breaking in between.
yes, ma'am. And can you show the fourth questions?
Which one? The fourth?
Yes, ma'am, the fourth one.
Uh, okay, okay. Let
No,
me
ma'am,
just do
no,
the third
ma'am.
one first, then I'll do the fourth one as well.
No,
Okay?
ma'am, it's okay, it's okay. I just wanted to see. It's okay.
Okay, okay, you want to see the question. Okay, okay. I just thought that's a solution. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 3250 students. Okay, so first of all, very first step is Khadija, you need to make the groups. Okay, you made the group, right? Now you have to remember the square root. So like we'll start with 2 squares. So it is 4, then 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So definitely you cannot take 36, you will take 5 square. Okay. So here you will write 5 and 5 multiplied by 5 would give you 25. Okay. Now the simple one, you will subtract it. So you will get 7. Okay. And this 50, you will bring it here. Okay. Then whatever the number is, you will multiply it with 2. 5 multiplied by 2, you got 10. And then put a blank here. Right. Now, what you are supposed to do is, you have to fill in the blank. Okay. So it's like if you
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
this this blank, if you put 2, you will multiply it with 2. So you will get 2 2. My voice is breaking.
Ma'am?
I don't have good
Yeah.
network issues, network today, but is it better now, students? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Khadija, you got it? What I'm doing here? This one, this step.
No, ma'am.
See, you have to just put a blank here, right? And then you can put the any number. You can start with 1, 2, whatever it is. You can, of course, you don't need to start with 1 because if you will subtract it, if you will multiply that with 1, you will get the same number, right? So we start with 2. So if you are putting in this blank 2, right? So you will multiply it with 2 only. If you are putting in blank 3, then you will multiply with 3 only, right? If you are putting in blank 4, you will multiply with 4 only, like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is what you have to do. So now you multiplied with this and then 3, 9, 0, 309 you got. 4, 4 is 16, 401 and 4, 416. You will keep on doing this until and unless you get a number which is greater than that or something, right? So I think it will be 7. I will multiply it with 7. 7, 7 is 49, so 4, right? And 7, 1 is 7. So you got 749, right? Of course, the 8 one would be greater. So over here, I'll mention 7 and here also I'll mention 7. What I got? I got 749. Okay. And what is it? This is clear, Khadija?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, usually this question is different. That's why you are getting a remainder. Others, in the other question, you won't get any remainder. Clear? But this question is different. That's why you are getting remainder. But if usually I ask you to find the square of any number, which is through long division, then you will not get any remainder. Okay. So this is what you people got. Now, in case you got this, now what you have to do, you will subtract it from this because remainder is 1. So from 3250, you will subtract 1, right? And once you subtract this, you got 3249. 3249. So that's why, ma'am, 3249 would, the square root of 3249 would be 57. This one. Fine? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody noted down the third one. The rest one you will be doing then. What question? Can you tell what is the fourth question? Yes, yes. Okay, everybody noted? Should I move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number fourth. Sorry. Question number fourth and question number fifth. Okay. Now, Khadija, in this one, you will make a pair like this. 8 to 5. 8 would be single and this would be in pair. So if you find the square, you will only look for 8. Okay. Try it, Khadija. And in case you didn't get it, I'll explain it again. Okay, students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Can you just come back in a second?
Sorry.
Can you just come back in a second?
Yes. Come back.
Yes.
Okay, I hope everybody finished, right?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will tell me the answer for the fourth one? What do you people got? Hmm? Tell me,
Um,
tell me, tell me.
I'm 20.
Huh?
784.
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Huh?
I got 41 as the remainder.
Huh?
I got 26. So I got 825 minus 41 as 784.
Hmm. So
And then
now 784 is remain like 784 is the square root of
41.
yes. Everybody got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And for the fifth one, Ronnie, you tell me.
The square root is not 41, right?
Sorry, 28.
Ma'am?
Hmm.
20.
You are not audible, Ronnie. Just be loud.
Ma'am, I didn't do the fifth one.
You don't know the fifth one. Why?
Ma'am, I didn't do it yet.
You didn't do it. I'm doing it. Have a look then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. These are the two pairs you will be making, students. Then, of course, 6 is 36. Right? 36, 37, 38, and 40. You got 4? Yes. Tell me.
Say something. For me,
Yes, Naisha, I can hear you. Tell me.
this one I didn't get the square root as 28. I got as 26.
Okay, wait. Then I'll do it. Okay, let me just finish this. Then I'll do it again. Okay. Okay, now this one, students. So 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Yes. So 12, you will multiply it with 3. Yes, here also you will put 3. So you people will get 369. Yes. And after subtracting 369, you people got 31 as the remainder. So from this 4000, you will subtract 31. What you will get? 3969.
3969.
So 3969 is the square of 63. Clear? Everybody? Khadija, Naisha, Chakrika, Ronnie, Gauri, everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Naisha had some difficulty in the fourth one. I'll do it here. Have a look. Okay. So now 8, 2 and 5. You will make a pair. Okay. So when you make a pair, of course, you will start with 2 table because it's the only thing. So 2, 2 is 4. Now 4, 2, 5. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And then put a blank. Okay. Now 8. Okay. Here also you will put 8. Right. Then 48 multiplied by 8 would give you 384. Yes. Yes. 48 multiplied by 8 would give you 384. Yes. And once you subtract this, what you get? You get 41 as the remainder. So, Naisha, how you are getting 26?
Got the same answer, but I by mistakenly wrote 46 instead of 48.
Ah, no. Just be careful while doing all this. Okay? Okay. I think this one is everybody got it, right? Now, of course, the same question we have. But in this question, it's like they are asking you what must be added. Okay, it's the same question, but they are asking you what must be added. So let's see how you people do it. Okay. I was planning to finish this chapter today itself, but I'm unable to. So I think one more class for this, then we are surely done with this because I think we have taken long time in this. Because this is an important chapter. If you get square now, automatically cube will be very easy for you. whatever step you are following here, that will be cube. So I believe that if I'm pouring so much efforts in this, I'm giving you so much time, then in cube, I'll take less time and you people will perform well in cubes. Okay. So I hope so, because I have not left any question and I'm just giving you people time to solve it. If you are not getting, I'm doing it by myself as well. So whatever efforts we are putting here, whatever time we have given here, we'll cope up in cube chapter so that, it doesn't take longer time to finish the syllabus. Okay, and I hope everybody has a track of this chapter because this chapter needs practice. I'll teach you here. You are doing it. If you're not revising this concept, then automatically you're not going to score because every question comes with new difficulty. So if you're practicing every question, it is easy. But if you're not practicing, then it becomes difficult. Okay. So
ma'am.
be very careful while doing this chapter. Okay, now the next one. Okay. In this question, it's very easy. The same one. Okay, I'm just doing the first one over here. Okay, then the rest part you people will be doing. Okay, find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get the perfect square. Okay, so over here, first of all, you should you will be getting it right. Let me just do it for you so that you people also get the same thing. So first of all, 5 to 5. 5 to 5, I made a pair. So 2 2 is 4, 1 2 5 and 4, I'll put a blank. Okay. So if I put a blank over here, what I get? I put 2 here, right? And 2 also here, right? So it's like 42 multiplied by 2, 84. Yes, I got 84. If you multiply it with 3, 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12. So it's greater. That's why I'm taking this number. Okay. So after doing this, I get the remainder 41. Okay. Now look at the step very, very carefully. Okay. Do any one of you has any idea how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
We add 1 to the quotient, so it basically becomes 23. And then we find out the square of 23 and we subtract the square of 23 from 525. And then the remaining is the
Yes.
number which we should add to the number.
Very good. Okay. So over here, of course, the steps are a little bit complicated. So have a look. Okay. It says adding, but of course, we add it and then we subtract. So be careful. Okay. So over here, it is giving you the remainder. So we'll just take 21 plus 1, we get 23. Clear? That's what we are adding. Okay. So of course, 22 is not like 5 to 5 is not divisible by 22. So that's why we take this. So equals to now 23 square. Okay. So in 23 square, if you take 23 square, you get 529. Okay. Everybody knows how to find the square, right? Anyone who don't know how to find the square? I think 23 square, you can simply do it like this, or you can use the other method. Okay. So you got 23 square, which is 529. Okay. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You have to always take the next one. See, over here, why you took 23? Because you were getting 22. Of course, the remainder was there. That's why you took the another one, which is 23. Okay, after doing the square of 23, you got 529. Okay, now you got 529. Okay, so over here, 529 subtract 5 to 5. This one. Okay, what you get? 4.
Explain it again. I did.
Okay, I'll explain this again, students. Have a look. So very first step
Understand
over here
my
is simple. Of course, you have to find the square. I'm explaining it again. Have a look. First of all, the very first step is you need to simply find it and you got the remainder. So that means 22 is not a perfect square of 525. Right? This is sure because you are getting a remainder. If it would have the perfect square, then there will be no remainder. But is the remainder, so ma'am, 22? No. That's why you took the another number, which is 23. The square of 23 was 5, 2 and 9. Okay. So you got 529. This is clear. If it is not a number, then of course you have to take the another number, the square of another number. You got 529. This is clear, the first step, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
case over here you get 25, you would have taken 26. In case you would have given 27, you would have taken the next number, which is 28. Clear? Whatever number it's this, if you get a remainder, then you take the next number square. You got this. Now what you need to do? Whatever the square you got, you will subtract it from the number. Okay, you got 4. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
got 5. Now what? This is the number actually that you need to add. So from 5 to 5, if you add 4, right, you get 5 to 9. Okay. And that's why the square of 5 to 9 would be 22. Clear? Sorry, 23. Fine it? Good? Enough? Okay. So basically, you don't have to do this one. You have to only find the number that should be added. Okay. So that it become a perfect square. So if you subtract it, you get 4. So that's, ma'am, 4 should be added. Right? 4 should be added to make this number a perfect square. Clear? Right? So if I, in this one, if 5 to 5, if I add 4, I get 5 to 9. Clear? Yes? Of course, 5 to 9 is a perfect square of 23. So there are two questions. First is what should be added? Ma'am, 4 should be added. Okay, once you added it, you have to find the square root. So the square root of 5 to 9 would be, ma'am, 23. Done? Both the answers are clear. So first you have to find which number you need to add it. So ma'am, 4. And what you, after adding 4, you get a new number which is 529. So 529 is the square root of 23. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Others? Ronnie, Chakrika, Naisha, Khadija.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Chakrika already knew it. So what about Naisha, Khadija, Ronnie? Yes. So whenever this question comes, what should be added? In the subtraction one, it's very simple. Right? What should be subtracted? You will simply find it, and whatever the remainder is, you will subtract it and you get the answer. Okay. But in case if you ask you what need to be added, first solve it. Whatever the remainder is, you don't have to do anything with the remainder in this question. But in the subtraction one, you were doing the things with remainder. Okay. So just 22 was there. So just take the another number square. You got this, then subtract it. You get a number which should be added. This 4. And once you got 4, then simple. So quickly note it down, everybody. Then I'll give you the
Ma'am, can I go to the toilet once?
sorry, Ronnie.
Ma'am, can I go to the toilet once?
Yes, yes, yes. Come fast.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
What if the remainder is a two-digit number?
You don't have to do anything with this remainder in this case. It can be 3-digit, 4-digit, 10-digit, or 1-digit. You don't have to do anything with remainder. If there is a remainder, no matter whether it's 1, 2, 3, 1-digit, 2-digit, if there is a remainder, just take the another number square. Okay, the next number. Okay. So in addition part, you don't have to do anything with remainder.
No, not the
Okay.
addition part. Like we double 8, right? After we double 8, we get 16. So like at that part, when we need to find the blank, we need to try to multiply it, right? But then what if it doesn't work with anything? Like what
I
if
didn't
the
get your question,
numbers
Sakrika.
on the fifth one?
The fifth one.
This one.
Okay. Yes. Tell me the fifth one. What you are saying?
Mom,
The
like
fifth one, of course, the remainder, I
12.
think you will get 12, no?
Yes, mom.
Yes, then?
So, like which number should we multiply 16 with? Because like 16 is
0.
bigger than
0.
12 and
0.
9. Mom, but then
1 is not 0. Put
Mom,
0.
I'm
If you
getting.
put 0, you get 0, no? Got it?
No, but like we need to do something with 16, right? We need to fill the blank.
You got 16, right? And here's
Yes,
the
mom.
blank. So
Yes,
if you
mom.
put 0 here, what will be your answer?
0.
That's it.
So we need to add 0 to the
Got it?
question, then add 1.
No. Okay,
No, but
everybody,
then
I'm just solving the fifth one because Sakrika is having doubts. Okay. And rest you people can do it. Okay. I'm just doing it here. 6412 it is, right?
yes, mom.
This is a unique question, not a unique question, but yeah, most of the students get confused here. So I'll make a pair. Okay. I made a pair. So of course, I'll start with 8. Right? 8 is 64. Right? Here it would be 8 2s are 16. Put a blank here. Here you got 0 and 12. Now, if you put 1 here, you get 161. 161. Of course, 161 is greater than 12. You cannot take it. Right? So you will put 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You get 0. Right? So if you put 0 here, 0 here, you get 0. Right? So what will be the remainder? 12. Fine?
Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Yes, mom. I get it. Yeah, mom.
Okay, everybody finished with the fifth one. Let's go to the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Yeah, sorry, it is complete. Okay. Over here, I just did so over here it's 80. Because it is not a so you take square of 81. Okay. And 1, right? 6, 5, 6. So 6, 5, 6 will subtract 4, 1, 2. So what you get? 149. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here, 6, 5, 6, 1 is the square of 81. Okay, I think everybody wrote it down, right? Written? Fifth one?
Yes.
One who is still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Naisha?
yes, ma'am, I got disconnected, so I couldn't hear anything. So, ma'am, could you explain again?
Okay. Okay. So we did the fifth one. Okay. The rest part I have not explained and I have not discussed anything, but Chakrika was having doubt in fifth one, so I explained this one. Okay, so the fifth one says the 6412. So now 8, I did it. The only thing which I explained over here is like, see, here you got 12, right? If you multiply 161 and 1, you get 161, which is greater than this. So that's why you put 0 here. So if you multiply 160 with 0, your answer would be 0, right? So that's why here you put 0. So here also you will put 0 and the remainder would be 12. Then of course 80 is not a perfect square. So you will take the next number, which is 81. So you got 6561. This, you got 149 and here the solution. Fine?
For one, ma'am, I solved the second one. Can I tell you the answer? Because I'm not sure if it's correct.
Okay, tell me the answer for the second one. What you got?
Ma'am, I did 42 square. So 1750 plus 14 is equal to 1764.
Yes,
So
correct.
the square of 1764 is 42.
Yes, that's correct. Good. Yes, Naisha, that was correct. Were you able to hear me? Naisha.
Yes, ma'am. What did you say?
It's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, rest of the people. So Naisha already told you the second one. So the answer for the second one over here is 42, right? 1764. Yes, everybody got this. I hope everybody did the second one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, got it. Ronnie, Khadija,
Yes,
Chakrika,
ma'am.
you got this one only for the second one? Okay, now the third and fourth is up. Okay, everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone who's still doing?
Minute, ma'am.
Okay, I'll wait for 1 minute quickly. We only have 2 minutes, so I'll wait for 1 minute. Do it quickly. Okay. Now, students, let's just discuss it because we don't have enough time. Okay, so third one, what you people got? Who will tell me? Ronnie, you tell me the third one.
Ma'am?
Third
one, I got confused of how to do it.
Sorry?
Ma'am, third one, I got confused.
I can't hear you.
Ma'am,
Huh?
one, I got confused.
You got whatever question I asked you, Ronnie.